So your first step is to unpack the spt1000, and once it's unpacked, you want to use the provided key to unlock the reader screen cover. So once you've opened the reader cover, you'll notice at the base of the cover there are two screws which hold together the bottom cover. You need to remove both screws like so. In order to remove the bottom cover, you must push down in the center here on this hole and pull towards you. There are 4 pre-drilled holes to securely fasten the spt1000 to the ground, and your conduits will connect to your AC power cables through the center of the unit. The next step is to have your electrician wire up the UPS main power and the heater and fan power. Your data cables need to be connected accordingly to the positive and negative sides by inserting your 2-wire cable and screwing in the screws for positive and negative. The communication box must be installed within 6 feet of the main computer server. You need to attach your pump cable into either one of these 2 slots, and the data cable, which we connected earlier, needs to be connected into the data cable plug-in section. Using your standard serial cables, you want to feed it through the opening on the side of the COM box, and for the pump, which is coming from COM 4 of the main computer server, you want to plug it into the pump section. It says pump directly on the board, the side where you need to plug it into. And same for the serial cable, feed that through the side and plug that into the CAT section of the board, like so. And the last thing you want to do is just feed the AC power cable and plug it in like so. Also ensure that your dip switches are all switched to the on position from 1 through 8. So you need to plug in all the cables at the back of the computer. So the first one you want to plug in is the black one, which is the power cable, which goes at the top there. And your pump cable will connect to COM 4. So you want to make sure at the back, we have already pre-labeled them, so make sure your pump goes into COM 4. Your CAT cable will go into COM 1. Video cable will go into your video port, which is color coded blue. Plug in your network cable. And your USB cables. To start the computer up, press the power button on the top left corner on the front of the computer, and the computer will start loading up. So the programs are all ready for startup, so that means when you start up the computer, all the programs that are needed to start up will start up automatically on their own. So when Fuel Commander is running, it's just a little short window like this, and also you'll see the station online and an indicator light blinking, showing that it is running and working. Once Fuel Commander is started and is operating and running, you'll notice the welcome message will appear on the reader screen of the spt1000.